members Rajat Jain, Suraj Sinha, and Vishnu Pratap. We are here to present our presentation on the topic of budget for economy and finance. Next slide. What is budget? Budget is the estimated of revenue and expenses over a specified future period of time and usually compiled and evaluated on a periodic basis. Budget can be made for a person or a group, a business, a government, any about else that make and spend money. Next slide. What is Union Budget? The Union Budget of India, also referred as a annual statement, in Article 112 of the Constitution of India, it is statement of estimated receipt and expenditure of the government for a particular year. Next slide will be presented by Rajat.
Next slide is new economy. On new economy, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman said that a policy to enable private sector to build data center parks throughout the country will be worked out soon. Fiber the home connection through BharatNet will link 1 lakh grams panchayat this year. Second point is that it is purpose to provide rupees 6,000 crore to BharatNet program in 2020-21 year for designing, fabrication and validation of proof of concept and further scaling up technology cluster, harboring test beds and small scale manufacture facility to establish. Next slide please. Fourth point is that it is purpose to provide an outlet of rupees 8,000 crore over a period 5 year for the national mission on quantum technology and application. Fifth point is that the new economy is based on innovation that disrupt established business model, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, 3D printing, drones, DNA data storage, quantum computing, etc. are rewriting the world economic order. India has already embraced new paradigms such as the sharing economy with aggregator platform, discipline, conventional business. Government has asked new technology to enable direct benefit transfer and financial information of skill never imagined before. Next slide is presented by Suraj Sharma.
Now, financial sector. In the last few years, Government of India has infused about 3 lakh 50,000 crore by way of capital into public sector bank for regulatory and growth purpose. Governance reform would be carried out in these banks so that they become more competitive. The government ने 3,50,000 करोड़ रुपए बैंकों के लिए दिए थे, जैसे बैंकों की ग्रोथ के लिए बैंक ने इश्यू किए थे, जिससे क्या होता है बैंक के जो ग्रोथ है वो आगे काम चल सके. Government has already approved consolidation of 10 banks with 4 further. The Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation has been permitted to increase deposit insurance coverage for a depositor, which is now rupees 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakh per depositor. जो गवर्नमेंट जो थी उसने क्या है 10 बैंक जो थी वो 4 बैंकों में मर्ज करी थी. जो ये कंपनी थी DICGC, उसने क्या किया, जो डिपॉजिटर जो लोग होते थे डिपॉजिट करते थे, उनकी जो डिपॉजिट करने की जो स्कीम थी वो पहले 1 लाख थी, जो 5 लाख कर दी थी. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Next slide. The limit for NBFC to eligible for debt recovery under the securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of security interest. जो सरफेसी जो कंपनी थी, एक फाइनेंशियल कंपनी थी, उसने एक 2002 के एक्ट के तहत उसने क्या किया, जो 500 करोड़ रुपए थे उसकी जो लोन की जो वो थी एग्जिस्टिंग थी, जो पहले 500 से 100 करोड़ की, फिर जो 1 करोड़ जो थी जो 50 लाख कर दी गई थी. To meet the need for greater private capital, it is proposed that the sell the balance holding of Government of India IDBI Bank to private, retail and institutional investors through the stock exchange. Next slide. To help easy mobility while in job, We wish to infuse into the universal pension coverage with auto enrollment. More than 5 lakh MSME have benefited from reconstructing of debt permitted by RBI in the last year. The reconstructing window was to end on 5 March 31 2020। जो गवर्नमेंट थी उसने क्या किया, जो टैक्स भरने की जो स्कीम थी वो गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया, मतलब उनको क्या लास्ट डेट दी गई थी 31 मार्च तक। आपको कैसे भी करके मतलब जो आपके जो टैक्स वगैरह होते थे उनके लिए 31 मार्च तक आपको डेप करना था। गवर्नमेंट हैज आस्क्ड आरबीआई टू कंसीडर एक्सटेंडिंग द विंडो टिल March 31 to 2021 for selected sectors such as pharmaceutical, auto component and other. It is proposed to extend hand holding support for technology upgradation, R&D, business strategy etc. A scheme of rupees 1000 crore will be anchored by Exim Bank together with SIDBI। जो गवर्नमेंट थी उसने क्या किया, मार्च जो 2021 तक जो सिलेक्टेड सेक्टर थे उसके लिए एक्सपोर्ट और इम्पोर्ट बैंक के लिए जो एक्सपोर्ट और इम्पोर्ट करते थे उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट ने ये 1000 करोड़ रुपए उसने आरबीआई ने दे दिए थे। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड बाय कंक्लूड बाय विश्व प्रताप।
Comparison of previous year budget with current year. The government proposed to spend 30,42,230 crore in 2021, which is 12.7% greater than revised estimate of 2019-20. The net market borrowing would be at rupees 4.99 lakh crore in financial year 2019-20 and are estimated at 5.36 lakh crore in 2021. The government has assumed a nominal GDP growth rate of 10% in 2021. The nominal growth estimated for 2019-20 was 12%. In 2021, capital expenditure is expected to increase by 18.1% over revised estimate of 2019-20 to rupees 4,12,085 crore. On the other hand, revenue expenditure is expected to increase by 11.9% over the revised estimate of 2019-22 rupees 26 lakh 30 crore to 145 crore. On non-tax revenue is accepted to be rupees 3 lakh 85,1700 crore in 2021. This is 11.4% higher than revised estimate of 2019-20. The disinvestment target of 2021 is rupees 2,10,000 crore. This target is 223.1% higher than the revised estimate of 2019-20. The government is accepted to spend 2,10,682 crore on pension in 2021, which is 14.4% higher than the revised estimate of 2019-20. In addition, expenditure of interest payment in 2020-21 is accepted to be 7,08,203 crore, which is 23% of government expenditure. Thank you.